Hey, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be trying out a new insect remover that I got from Germany from the brand Nigrin Performance. I'm going to be removing some of these annoying summer bugs. I'm sure you also have them where you're driving in the summer. This is something new. It's a gel, it has a work indicator and it changes color so that you make sure that it's not too long or too short on your the paint of your car. So let's see how it performs. I've never tried this before. And I'm curious to try it out with you. Here we go, los geht's. Yeah, and here we are in the summer. It is nice weather. It's a bit cloudy today. But yeah, wherever you go, you have a lot of these bugs, as you can see. Let me know where you're from and how many bugs you have. This is rather innocent still. But for the purpose of this video, I think this is going to be something that you would also experience. Probably if you've been to on vacation in southern Europe. You probably have more exotic species on the paint than I do on my car. Today we're trying out Nigrin Performance. I like Nigrin, it's a nice German brand for car detailing products. I got this one from Germany, but they also have it on Amazon. And it's basically an insect remover. It is very strong. And the good thing about it is that it shows you when it's time to spray it off your car, when it's done working. And maybe you're like me. I mean, I always find it difficult sometimes, especially when I haven't slept too much. Is it on there too long? Is it on there too short? I also don't want to stress the nice paint of my car too much. So something like this, if it really works, it's kind of like with a wheel cleaner that changes color. And I think it can be very beneficial. So let's give it a try. I'll spray it on the car and I'll tell you what I think about it. If you leave these insects on too long in the burning sun, they'll get stuck into your car paint like a piece of pepperoni on a pizza that's been overbaked in the oven. It's very hard to remove. And it's indeed, wow, it's indeed completely dark blue. So it's also very easy to see where you spray this. The spray, as you can see, it's a jet. Really like it more when it's a mist. However, with the jet you can spray precisely. And I do have the feeling I need to use quite a lot of it. Whether you do this, and if you haven't done this especially, and then you removed it, what the paint of your car looks like. Scent is neutral. I don't like the spraying so much because of it being a jet. See, it doesn't drip at all, it stays on there really. Sehr schön. So, and I think after exactly 3 minutes, indeed the color started changing. Bit hard to see here on the red paint. But if you look here on the top, you can see that it's yellow. And also here on some parts of the lug, it's yellow. Here you can clearly see that. That's actually quite nice. Now we know it's time to rinse it off. So let's get the hose and see what the final result looks like and whether the bugs come off easy. So let's rinse off the product and you can see that all this yellow stuff comes off. So it's been working really good. Sehr schön. So we've rinsed off the car. What I really liked is that I could see all the yellow foam coming off and the work indicator was there. So that really helped me to decide when it's time to remove the insect remover. In terms of performance, because this is Nigrin Performance, I would say, here we still have a bit of residue, as you can see. Zoom in on that, see it here? We still have some insects left. They would come off if you have, let's say, the microfiber towel or the sponge. But as you can see, they're still there. And here also on the license plate, you can see that many are still there, that they haven't been removed. So in terms of strength, an insect remover, I think I would give it a 7 out of 10. It's not super strong. I've seen some other ones that are stronger. But on the other hand though, because they're not as aggressive, probably it's safer for your paint and better for your car. So I think 80% of the insects removed. Probably if you would do a contact wash, the other remaining part would be removed too. Final opinion about Nigrin Performance insect gel with the work indicator. Really like the work indicator. I really like that you can see when it's the right time to take it off. Not a super strong performance, preserves the lug and is not too aggressive. I would give this 7 out of 10. I hope you found it a useful video and I hope you were able to remove the bugs of your car. Wishing you a fantastic summer and hope to see you again in my future videos. Auf Wiedersehen.